This is a Payne central air conditioner at a commercial property. And I do believe that is a heat pump. Obviously it's running in cool mode right now, but I do believe this is a heat pump. See if we can go get a closer look at the data sheet. Here is the condensate drain. Yep, that's a heat pump. Listed section of heat pump. And this unit was manufactured in the 33rd week of 2005. This unit is actually very quiet, and the lines are very cold and sweaty. So yeah, this is a heat pump, and the real reason I'm here is a Rude. Don't know what year Rude, but all I know is that it's a straight cool unit. I didn't get close to it yet. So this is a Payne, a 2005 Payne teardrop heat pump. Running very quiet. It's in very good condition. It's not dirty or anything. This unit's been taken care of. And I was just inside the building. It's working perfectly. It's freezing in there. This is R22. And this battery is about to die again. I can kick myself for dropping that freaking $40 backup rechargeable battery at the car show last weekend. Can't believe I did that. Alright. I stopped here to ask about taking pictures of this beauty right here for my upcoming Stamped Octagon Like a Rock mashup. Straight cool unit. And this was manufactured in, oh, this is a newer one, October of 2003. And that's a York. The unit, the compressor seems to be very quiet, but there's like something loose somewhere and it's rattling. Don't know if that's a heat pump or not. See if we can tell. Yeah, this one's a heat pump. It says listed section heat pump. York. And I don't know what the hell this one is. It looks brand new. There's still the remnants of a energy guide there. Of this cool, okay, this is a heat pump. I can see the little thing on there. It's not totally worn away. Don't know what brand it is. Looks like an ICP. Just says high efficiency on it. But yeah, this one's a heat pump. There's the reversing valve. The Rude seems to be the only straight cool unit on the property. And this is a 3.5 nominal ton, 42,000 BTU. 42. Yeah, that's a 3.5 ton. A 2003 Rude 3.5 nominal ton air conditioner. A York heat pump, an ICP heat pump. And then there's another unit down there that I'm going to go take a look at momentarily. Just as soon as I take some pictures of the Rood. I'll be back. Okay, so there is the Rood. I just took some pictures of it. And the York shut off while I was taking pictures. Don't know what year this unit is. You know what, maybe I'll take a picture of the data sheet. That one looks fairly new. That one looks similar to the unit at my barber shop, except a lot bigger. Alright. And I think that unit underneath the deck is a Bryant. But I don't know for sure. Yeah, that's a Bryant. Looks like a Bryant. Is that a Bryant? Yeah, that's a Bryant. Am I good or what? And this is from the second week of 1999, so it's 12 years old. And it would appear that it is a heat pump. There the oh, it's an Aire-fLo. I thought that was an ICP. That's an Aire-fLo. And there's the York right there. You can see the Rood poking out a little bit right there. Okay, so that makes the second Aire-fLo heat pump I've seen in the state of Pennsylvania. That's only 2 Aire-fLos I've seen around here. But yeah, this is a 99 Bryant. Filter dryer's really rusted out. Listed section of heat pump. Yeah, so the Rood is the only straight cool unit. Don't know why all the units are heat pumps and only one is a straight cool. Aire-fLo. Come by here again some other time and see about getting a video of them all running. It's nowhere near as hot as it has been for the last 2 days, but it's still pretty damn hot. It's like 85 right now, very humid. Oh, there's a Goodman. There's a Goodman over there. Doesn't seem to be running. I've filmed millions, well not, you know what I mean, I've filmed lots of those over the years, so it's not like I'm missing anything with that one. But yeah, I don't have enough battery life for that. I don't think. And I gotta get to the gym. I just dropped off some photos at the Walgreens, and now I'm going to the gym. And then I'm gonna go back to the Walgreens as soon as I'm done with the gym and pick up the photos. Now let's look at it. It's definitely a newer one. It's R410A, and it's a heat pump. 13 SEER, 8.4 HSPF. Not running. So this is a base model one. It's got a seasonal energy efficiency ratio of 13 and a heating seasonal performance factor of 8.4. Goodman heat pump. Alright, let's get out of here. I'm sweating my ass off and I haven't even gotten to the gym yet. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.